Namaskara, friends. Welcome back to Travel Along with Us. I'm Akshara, your property advisor from Bengaluru, and today we are diving into one of the hottest topic, which is 50 crore apartments is selling fast, but 50 lakhs home have no buyers. It is pathetic. India's real estate paradox, and this is honestly most shocking topics in Indian real estate right now. On one side, we have 50 crore luxury apartments in Mumbai and Delhi selling out like hotcakes. On the other side, 50 lakhs affordable homes are struggling to find buyers. Strange, right? Let's unpack this paradox together. The luxury boom. First, let's talk about the luxury side. In cities like Mumbai, Bengaluru, and Delhi, luxury projects are breaking records. Why? Because India's wealthy class is growing. NRIs are investing heavily, and developers are focusing on high margin projects. Think about it, sea facing penthouses in Wareli, sky villas in Bengaluru, and golf course apartments in Gurgaon. These aren't just homes, they are lifestyle statements. And the rich, they can't stop buying them. Then comes the affordable housing crisis. But here is the flip side. Affordable housing, the 30 to 60 lakh bracket, is slowing down. Why? Rising construction cost, higher interest rate, and fewer government incentives. For the middle class family dreaming of their first home, affordability is slipping away. Imagine this, a young couple in a Bangalore learning decent salaries but still unable to afford a 2 BHK near the city. That's the reality for millions. The paradox. So, here's the paradox. Luxury homes are selling faster than ever, affordable homes are stuck. It's almost like two Indias. One where the wealth is concentrated and growing, and another where the common buyer is priced out. And this gap is only widening. What it means for you? Now, what does this means for you as an investor or a home buyer? If you are looking at luxury, the demand is strong and resale value could be solid. But if you are in affordable segment, be cautious, look for project with good connectivity, upcoming infrastructure and trusted developers. Remember, real estate is not just about buying a house. It's about buying into a future of the location. So friends, here is my big question for you. Are we building homes for India's future or only for India's wealthy? Why is the market for ultra rich booming while the market for the rest of us, the ones who is working hard to pay those EMIs, is struggling? Today, we are going to break down this truth and most importantly, I'll give you three non negotiable tips for the smart Indian woman buying property today. Developers are seeing this trend and shifting their focus too. They get better profit margins from luxury projects. So, they stop building the houses we need and instead build the towers the rich demand. This is the cycle that is squeezing the average Indian home buyer out of the market. Can you relate this with the area in which you are located? So, the message here is simple. Don't panic, but don't follow the headlines. The luxury market boom is not a sign of general market health, it's a reflection of concentrated wealth. So, we need a different strategy. So, now to wrap up, the luxury boom is real, but it's not a separate game. For us, the middle class home buyer, the battle is tougher, but the dream is absolutely not dead. Agree with me, dears? So now our strategy is leverage. Leverage government incentives like stamp duty rebates, leverage lower interest rates, and leverage smarter geographic choices. By being financially disciplined and demanding these woman specific benefits, we can turn the tide of this affordability crisis. Now, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments. In your city, what is the real price of a 2 BHK today? And what's the one property buying mistake you want to warn others about? So let's share our knowledge and empower each other, and let's all grow together with happiness. So drop your thoughts in the comments. I would like to hear from you. What's your perspective? And after hearing this video, do you have any changes in your mind and in your perspective what you are thinking now? So please do list that in comment section, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to travel along with us. So this is Akshara signing off from Bangalore. Thank you.